case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In the 1988 case State v. Norman, heard by the North Carolina Court of Appeals, a woman who had been severely abused by her husband for 25 years shot and killed him while he slept. The case centered around the concept of perfect self-defense, which requires a reasonable belief that force is necessary to prevent imminent danger and that there is no possibility of retreat. The defendant, who had been married to her husband for 25 years, suffered severe physical and verbal abuse throughout their marriage, including being forced into prostitution to support him. After seeking help from social services, the husband dragged her out and beat her severely. Later that evening, while he slept, the defendant shot him 3 times in the head after the gun jammed on her first attempt. Initially, the trial court found the defendant guilty of voluntary manslaughter. However, the Court of Appeals reversed the decision and granted a new trial, allowing the defendant to present her claim of self-defense. Evidence presented during the trial demonstrated a long history of abuse against the defendant, including the forced prostitution. Despite this evidence, the court ruled that the defendant was not entitled to perfect self-defense, as the threat was not imminent and the use of force was not proportional. Imminence did not apply in this case since the husband was asleep at the time of the killing, and the defendant had the possibility of retreating. The court concluded that the husband's reign of terror did not justify the use of deadly force by the defendant.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind, leave the stress of class.